I know you guys see this big block that I show a lot of our custom drains. You know, when people have, you know, beautiful house, beautiful lot, it's in the school district that they want their kids in, you know, just on and on and on and on. So, but the yard itself is the problem. Like, we have to do some heavy modifications to the grade. We'll go to this big block and we'll do all kinds of really cool stuff with it. So I wanted to share this because I got so many young contractors calling me now and talking to me. Guys, you really got to try this out. This one right here, the 8-inch compact. Me and Scott, we love this. Now, the standard is the split aggregate. That's where they make two of these blocks as one unit and then put it in a guillotine, crack it, and it splits the aggregate. And that gives it a nice look, kind of a sparkle. Now, if you're not, you know, kind of in for that kind of look, they also make this block in like a smooth finish. This block is 86 pounds that we're using. Think about that. 86 pounds. And it's fiberglass pinned together, so it can move. The freeze and thaw can work on it, and it'll move back and forth on these fiberglass pins that we put in. And you're going to see this in all our builds. Me and Scott, we use this exclusively because we've been disappointed and just let down by so many other blocks. I can guarantee you guys, if you build walls and lifted patios out of this stuff, you're not going to have any callbacks. This stuff don't move. They build bridges out of this. I'll try to, you know, stop on one of the expressways around here that has that. It literally overpasses and bridges made of that. And Fent is the one that distributes it, but it's a Keystone block, and they've been making retaining wall block for as long as I can remember. Honestly, it's as long as I've been in the game and they've been around. So we're going to power wash this brick veneer. It hasn't seen the light a day in 20 years. And it's going to look about a day old when we get done. All right, guys, until the next video.